Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden. Many beginners often choose to grow pothos, Epipremnum aureum, hydroponically. However, after a while, the plants may become stunted, with smaller leaves, weaker stems, and lose their vibrant green color. The main reason is that the hydroponic environment doesn't provide enough nutrients for the plant to grow naturally. Today, I'll show you how to properly care for your pothos, helping it regain its healthy state, grow strong roots, and produce large, lush green leaves. The best part is that we only need very simple ingredients right from your kitchen, yet they deliver amazing results. Now, let's get started. First, to replant this pothos, we need to remove all the yellowing leaves, rotten parts, or any weakened sections on the stem. This step is crucial because once you eliminate the old and unhealthy parts, the plant no longer has to share nutrients with areas that can't grow anymore. That way, it can focus its energy on developing stronger, healthier new shoots. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I'll use scissors to trim off the water roots. These roots developed in a hydroponic environment, so when moved to a new medium, they won't adapt well. If kept, they can easily rot and slow down the plant's recovery process. By removing these roots, the plant immediately receives a signal that its growing environment has changed. This is when it begins to activate its root regeneration mechanism, producing new, stronger, and more resilient roots that are fully suited to the environment we're preparing for it. After removing all the parts that may carry disease, I'll rinse the entire plant with clean water. This rinsing process helps wash away any remaining fungi or bacteria clinging to the stems and roots, while also cooling the plant down after trimming. You just need to rinse gently with clean water to avoid damaging the healthy roots and stems. Once the plant is completely cleaned, it will be ready to be replanted in its new environment and begin a stronger, more vigorous growth cycle. To treat the pothos before replanting, I'll use garlic. Garlic contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help inhibit pathogens, prevent root rot, and stimulate faster recovery. It's an easy-to-find ingredient, yet extremely effective for home plant care. I will chop 3 cloves of garlic like this. I'll put all of them into a clean glass jar. Then pour warm water in and seal the lid tightly. Keeping the jar closed helps preserve the active compounds in the garlic and allows them to dissolve more effectively into the water. We'll let this mixture steep for about 3 hours. This amount of time is enough for the antibacterial and antifungal compounds in the garlic to be fully released, creating a highly effective root treatment solution for the pothos. While waiting for the garlic solution to finish steeping, I'll prepare the growing medium for the plant. To replant this pothos, I'm using a mixture of 60% cocoa peat and 40% clean soil. This combination creates a medium that is airy, well-drained, and loose, while still retaining just the right amount of moisture for new roots to develop. After that, I'll mix everything thoroughly to make a lightweight, breathable, and fast-draining substrate. This is the ideal environment for the pothos to recover quickly and grow even stronger in its next stage of development. After 3 hours, once the water has completely cooled and all the nutrients from the garlic have dissolved into the solution, I'll strain out the garlic solids. We only keep the clear liquid to treat the plant, which helps prevent any damage to the roots and stems during care. I'll dilute this garlic solution with 500 milliliters of clean water. Diluting it makes the solution safer for the plant. Now, I'll soak the entire plant in this garlic water solution. This soaking allows the antibacterial compounds in the garlic to penetrate deeply into the stems and roots, eliminating any remaining pathogens and stimulating the pothos to quickly develop stronger new roots. You only need to soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes, long enough for the plant to absorb the nutrients without over-soaking. While the plant is soaking, you can also use a soft cotton pad, lightly soaked in the solution to gently wipe the leaves. This helps remove any dust, bacteria, or mold on the leaf surface, while allowing the leaves to absorb extra nutrients from the garlic, boosting the plant's resistance and recovery after repotting. After 20 minutes, I'll remove the plant and proceed to replant it. First, I'll put the prepared soil mixture into a pot like this, spreading it evenly and loosening it so the roots can grow easily. Next, I'll insert a wooden stake firmly into the center of the pot. This provides support to help the plant stand upright and stable during the initial recovery stage. Now, place the pothos close to the base of the stake. When planting, adjust the stem slightly so it rests against the stake. This helps the plant maintain its shape and allows the new roots to quickly anchor into the substrate Watch closely and follow along with me. Finally, use a soft tie to gently secure the pothos stem to the wooden stake like this. Tie it loosely, just enough to keep the plant upright and growing upward, avoiding tying too tightly, which could damage the stem. Finally, use a soft tie to secure the pothos stem to the wooden stake like this. Tie it gently, just enough to keep the plant upright and growing upward, avoiding any tightness that could damage the stem. Pothos is naturally a climbing plant, so when grown in freeform hydroponics, it often lacks support, resulting in weak stems, smaller leaves, and growth that doesn't follow its natural instincts. But with this method, the plant has a structure to climb on. It grows upward, develops thick, strong stems, larger leaves, and deeper green colors. The higher it climbs, the more vibrant and vigorous it becomes. To stimulate the pothos to grow roots quickly and recover strongly after repotting, I'll prepare a very simple nutrient solution. I use 3 tablespoons of rice. Rice contains plenty of B vitamins, starch, and natural minerals, components that help promote root growth, repair damaged tissue, and encourage the plant to produce healthy new roots. Add 500 milliliters of clean water and stir well so that the nutrients and starch dissolve completely. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is an easily absorbed source of energy that helps the plant recover quickly, boosts its resistance, and supports the formation of new roots. After stirring the mixture well, I'll strain out the rice, keeping only the clear liquid that contains all the dissolved nutrients. Next, I'll dilute this solution with 500 milliliters of clean water to create a mild concentration, suitable for the pothos's still weak roots. Now, I'll pour the diluted solution directly at the base of the plant. The rice and sugar mixture will gradually seep into the substrate, supplying energy and minerals, helping the plant recover quickly, stimulating new root growth, and stabilizing it after repotting. Pour the remaining solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly mist it over all the leaves and stems to provide moisture and deliver nutrients directly to the leaf surface. This method helps the pothos leaves become glossier, enhances photosynthesis, and supports rapid recovery after repotting. With consistent care like this, your pothos will grow strong and develop according to its natural climbing instincts. Results. You can see that my pothos is growing extremely healthily. The plant has quickly climbed up the stake, its leaves are glossy, thick, and look very vibrant. When grown using this method, the plant lives according to its natural instincts, climbing and attaching itself upward. Because it's allowed to grow this way, it develops faster, becomes stronger, produces larger leaves, and displays much deeper green colors compared to free-form hydroponic growth. With proper care and a little time spent observing, you'll see your pothos respond with vigorous growth and lush green beauty in your garden. What do you think about the pothos planting method I just shared? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to support the Wonder Garden channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support gives me the motivation to create more useful videos for you every day. See you in the next green journey at Wonder Garden.